In this example, we want to convert 1 hour into seconds. So to do this unit conversion, we are going to use dimensional analysis. So to use dimensional analysis, we need to find a relationship between hours and seconds. But as we know, there's not a clear relationship between hours and seconds. So we want to break this down into a relationship between hours and minutes, and then minutes and seconds. So we're going to first write our relationship between hours and minutes. Looking at our formula sheet, we know that 1 hour is the same as 60 minutes. And we also know that 1 minute is the same as 60 seconds. So knowing these two relationships, we can write our conversion factors. So we can either have 1 hour for every 60 minutes, or we can have 60 minutes over 1 hour. And then for our relationship between minutes and seconds, we can have 1 minute over 60 seconds, or we can also have 60 seconds over 1 minute. So now that we have our series of conversion factors, we can answer a question. So we want to convert 1 hour into seconds. So we always start with a number that we're converting. So we have 1 hour. And now we want to multiply this by our conversion factor of hours to minutes. So because we want to cancel out hours and we have hours on top, we want to use the conversion factor with hours on the bottom. So that means we are going to use 60 minutes over 1 hour. So we multiply 1 hour by 60 minutes per hour. And as we can see, our units of hours cancel out and we're left with minutes. But we want to convert 1 hour into seconds. So that means we have to convert minutes into seconds. So because we have 60 minutes on top, we want to use a conversion factor with minutes on the bottom. So looking at our two conversion factors, we want to use 60 seconds over 1 minute. So we multiply 60 minutes by 60 seconds over 1 minute. And we can see our units of minutes cancel out and we're left with seconds on top. So now we're left with 1 times 60 over 1 times 60 over 1, which is the same as 60 times 60, and we're left with 3,600 seconds as our answer.